Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the Gmail auto advance to newer, older, or conversation list after you have archived or delete an email on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and on the home screen or in the app screen, tap on the Google folder, then tap on the Gmail app. And in Gmail, in the mailbox, tap on the menu key at the top. From the pop-out menu, go down and tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on General Settings. And then in here, you want to go down and tap on Auto Advance. In the pop-up, you could choose Newer, Older, or Conversation List. Select one of the options. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.